Hey everyone, my name is Milan. Welcome to my channel Milangic. In this vlog, I'm giving you a full tour of RIU Palace Montego Bay, an adult-only, all-inclusive resort in Jamaica. This video is not sponsored by RIU. If you're planning a trip or just curious what it's like, this video covers everything you need to know before you book. First, let's talk layout. There are 3 RIU resorts side by side. Number 1, RIU Regi, the most budget-friendly and adults-only. Number 2, RIU Montego Bay, mid-tier, known for its nightlife and the famous weekly white party. And the final, RIU Palace, the most premium, peaceful and upscale of the 3 where I stayed in. As a palace guest, you get full access to all 3 properties including restaurants, pools, bars and entertainment. Here is what you need to know upfront. All-inclusive, yes. Food, drinks, snacks, room service, everything is covered. Adult only, yes. 18 plus only. Distance, just 5 minutes from the airport and 90 minutes drive from Negril. Taxi, it is $20 or 3000 Jamaican dollars from the airport. Elevators, yes, all main buildings are elevator accessible. Golf carts, not available but resort is pretty walkable. Room, I stayed in a junior suite featuring 2 double beds, a garden view and a jacuzzi right in the room. The room also includes a liquor dispenser, vodka, rum, gin and whiskey, and a fully stocked minibar with soda, water and beer. Price, my 3-night stay for 2 people came to approximately 2200 Canadian dollars. Wi-Fi, free and reliable throughout the resort. Best season to visit Jamaica. December to April is the perfect weather to visit Jamaica. Pro tip, if you're staying at any RIU, download RIU app. From checking daily activities to booking a la carte restaurant, it makes the experience super smooth. Airport transportation included. If you book directly through Expedia or any other platform, it's included. However, if you have booked directly, it's not. It's best to confirm with the respective platform or the resort beforehand. Currency, USD is accepted everywhere, but I did exchange some to Jamaican dollars to use it locally. Restaurants, 4 a la carte, Asian, Italian, fusion, seaside steakhouse, plus 1 large international buffet with tons of variety and great taste. Do you need reservations for a la carte restaurant? Yes, reservations are required and I'll recommend to book as soon as you arrive, either through the RIU app or calling at the front desk. I dined at Asian and Italian restaurants. At Asian, I had prawn skewers, veggie dumplings and pad thai as my main, and it was absolutely incredible. At the Italian, they had a beautifully presented starter that set the tone for the meal. And for my main, I went with spaghetti pomodoro, which was decent. The ambience at both the restaurants was great, inviting, well designed and comfortable, and the service was equally commendable. Dress code. Yes, there is a dress code in place, casual yet elegant. Sleeveless, barefoot and flip-flops are not allowed, but men can wear Bermuda shorts. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the buffet experience, which is truly a highlight at RIU Palace. Every section was top-notch, whether it was the fresh, crisp salads, the flavorful Caribbean dishes, the diverse Asian options. The spread was so impressive that it became the highlight of my dining experience. From its dinner filled with global comfort food, a lunch with impressive variety, breakfast with fresh tropical fruits and made-to-order omelette, a variety of sweets, pastries and mouth-watering desserts. There are plenty vegan and vegetarian options at every meal. The buffet is consistently impressive in the quality and variety. Everything was fresh and beautifully presented, making it easy to find something you will enjoy no matter your preference. The main buffet truly exceeded my expectation, offering a perfect blend of variety, flavor and presentation that consistently impressed me throughout my stay. Here is a little sneak peek at even more of the culinary highlights that made dining at RIU Palace such a memorable experience. If you wanna check out the RIU Palace Tropical Bay Resort Tour, how I unwind in Negril, snorkeling in the Caribbean Sea, or celebrated my birthday in Montego Bay, tap the Jamaica series card on the screen and enjoy. Are excursions available? Absolutely. You can book directly from the lobby, zip lining, day trip to Negril, Duns River Falls, and much more. Pools. Three in total, a lively pool with entertainment and a swimmer bar, a stunning infinity pool facing the ocean, and a relaxed pool for downtime besides the sports bar. Bars. One swimmer bar, one 24 into 7 sports bar by the ocean, one lobby bar called Vogue with built-in cafe. Beach. The beach at RIU Palace is clean and peaceful, perfect for lounging or a morning walk. The only note I'd share is that under the water there is seaweed which may be noticeable when swimming, but the water remains clear and swimmable. Entertainment, daily activities like foam party, live music, games, fitness, and much more. For clubbing and white party, walk over to RIU Montego Bay. Final thought, RIU Palace Montego Bay checked almost all the boxes. Great food overall, a comfy room, lively vibes, infinity pool, and fun parties. The foam party and the white party was a blast. Great music, dancing, and people were having a fantastic time. The Italian restaurant could have been better, and there was some seaweed under the water at the beach. You might also hear occasional airplane noise since it's so close to the airport. But honestly, whether you're celebrating your birthday, planning a romantic gateway, or just looking to unwind, RIU Palace has everything you need for a memorable stay. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment and I'll reply as soon as possible. And if this helps you plan your trip and stay, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Until next time, keep your magic alive.